Morning traders. This is not a financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. I hope it's doing good. Everybody's doing good today. So let's see how it goes. But today's like kind of just checking the voice. Today wasn't like the day that I look up for as far as trading, my setups I mean. So I'm gonna take it, see what's available. Let me see this. It's gonna look kind of promising. Just wait for that first minute to pass by. I did take a swing trade on Coinbase, and they rallied overnight, so we made good money on it. I'm gonna short one mister right here. Took Mr. Long, take some profit on it. Oh, it's low today. Should have exited the whole thing. We closed the position for like $150 return, which is not bad. I don't know why he's not working. I guess we're out of position. It's dragging today. Can't see my profit or loss. This is where it shows our total. So right now we started with 100,000. So now we're up $2,367. Oh, Tesla's dropping. I see like how like when it's all over, it's like far away from the 20. It is continuing down, but like you have these rejection. That's why I don't look forward in the morning for like when the days are like that. I just have one method that I use, is just like tight SMAs, tight range. That's what I try to use for my first trade in the morning. And that's why I took Mister. It looked very promising. See, it dropped here. It got rejected. Also didn't make a new high right here. Now it got rejected again right here. So let's see if this is going to make a new high right here. If it makes a new high, there's a possibility it might continue to fill up the gap right here. This is the point where it's gonna go right there. See it? There we go, going along 100 share. This is since we made 200 already, you don't want to go too deep on this. Just gonna put my stop right here. It's literally like $1. Hopefully hold that support. And my profit is somewhere around here. Hopefully touch those zones. See how it took that? So there's a possibility it might fill that gap up. It is a massive bar, but it's very powerful. Don't be scared with these massive bars in the morning. There's follow through with them. You get stopped out, you just fight another fight. It's okay. See, like I made a mistake here also. Should have waited till this bar finishes and then re-enter. I mean, do its business and all that. So, but it's such a good bar, and it took off the new high. So why not? You know, why not give it a shot? I'll put my stop right underneath that 200 right here. I'm gonna be conservative on it. Me, my profit take. Let's see. This is gonna do. I usually monitor the market. I try to take swing plays the last minute of the day. I take some plays. But this beast right here, Coinbase, is a beast, guys. I trade the 10 minutes and I trade the 5 minute. And on the 10 minute, this is like 2 bars if you consider these two bars. I'm hoping it continue pulling up. We're risking $123 on this play. So I don't like my stop right here. I mean, right underneath that 8. Not awake yet. I was trading future yesterday like till midnight, and I didn't get no sleep this morning. I just love trading, guys. I love being around charts. Charts talks to me. If you're in your 20s or whatever, book. In order for you to become a super professional, professional trader, you have to do live trade or paper trade and follow your rules for at least 5,000 hours. And anybody tells you can learn this strategy and this other strategy in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you become a professional. I would question that, but definitely try to get as much chart time as possible. And whenever you do a trade, number 1 rule is put your stop. Number 1 rule, put your stop and do not let a loser run on you. Don't do that. I'm gonna take some profit right here. You know, a batting average, what do they mean by batting average? Like winners and losers, if you journal. And most successful traders, their batting average is like 42% to 36%. And you would say, how the hell they make any money? By being correct 42 times out of 100. So they do it by math. They try to win 2-1, 3-1, 4-1, and their losers are only 1-1. So when you do that, the math is on your side. You'll always be a winner. So, like you see this bar right here, how big it is. I just wanted some protection under the 8 SMA, and I have the 21 SMA and the 200s right here. This bar is ginormous. If I put my stop right here, my losses will be huge. But I'm willing to risk $179 on this play. Actually, it did give us $1, but I wasn't paying attention. Maybe I would have cashed it. I was looking at the 10-minute, and you see how the 200 is on top, so it got trapped. But on the 10-minute, it looks clean. Hopefully we'll survive this pullback. If not, we'll fight another day. It's okay. Just watch your breathing when the stock is going against you. Don't go into the flight and death mode. That won't help you. So okay, we got taken out. It's okay. Let's see how it's gonna do right here. If this red gets taken out again, I'll take it long. My stop should have been here. Like even on 100 share, it is just ginormous, man. There's like $3. Yeah, right here, 247, 45. It's about $2, but it will continue going up. I do need a color change. Take another stab at it again. Hopefully get that money back. Each trade 1%. It says OBS disconnected and reconnected, so. Let's see if we're still live. Oh, we're still live, so we're good. See how this bar took this one off right here? Let's see. That's why I wanted to stop here. This would have continued. I'm gonna take profit around here. This thing moves, bro, a lot fast. Oh, how the hell did it hit that target? I have no idea what's going on here. I'm gonna take it again. And I'll move my. Oh no, I screwed up. I'm gonna take it again. I keep putting the stop instead of the profit. I'm gonna put my stop right here. Morning. See how that goes. Just gotta break through that resistance right here. Hopefully it will. Remember guys, I don't know how to explain, we're here doing paper trading. We're doing the challenge to $30,000. Then we're gonna go live if we make 30,000. That's the realized gain, and that's the unrealized gain right here. That's the trade we're in right here. And this is how much money we made so far. And we started the account with 100,000. I don't like to put my targets right close to the 200, but I think it might touch it. It will. It looks like it's fighting. So up and touch that target. If it touches that 200, we'll make $265. I mean, that Coinbase is a beast. See how it touched it? Not bad. We went back. We got our losses back. We probably got $65 back. Not bad. Let's see. Right now, it's done right here. MU. Wow. Mr. Made like $200 on Mr. right here. It fired back up. I might short it. If it gives me a red bar, I might short this. If you want to trade Mr., you better look at Bitcoin, kind of. They're kind of correlated. So, if Bitcoin is dumping, Mr. is dumping. If Bitcoin is going up, Mr. is going up. Apple is lost and confused. Ooh, wow. NVIDIA, that was, my God. That is the perfect setup, guys. See that massive drop. It broke through the 200. Lifted. Got halted by the 8. Boom. That would have been 10 times better than that. A lot better trade than Coinbase. Yeah, can't get them all. Right now, don't go short. I'll be looking for longs. But I won't long this one either. Maybe. If I have a massive no follow through, I might go long on this. I like it. There's a distance. I'm gonna take 200 shares. Try to take profit at the 8. And this thing dumped hard. That's hard and fast. It usually pulls back. Usually when I'm scalping, I don't go crazy. might continue pushing down. So let's see. We're risking $74 on this trade, but it could turn into something, hopefully. Only 100 shares. When you're going against the trend, just go slight. Don't go heavy. You can get $92 out of it, why not? I just like the distance. You see how much distance you have? Run the SMAs. So it might pull back. And it might take that $74. Oh well. It's worth a shot, I like it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, God. Always stay with the momentum, man. I got burned on this one. Let me see Palantir. Looks like everything's going down today. So you don't want to short this one either. I keep bouncing back and forth. Tesla. Google dumping. Hood's dumping too. See what happened to coin. Yeah. Axiom. See Uber. Like, you see this move right here. See how it's like clustered with that. If you're gonna take this long, you really want that 21 is like to be sloping up. Sloping up. Just like this, it will take all your money and drain you out. This is just like a zone, doesn't know what it's doing, nothing is showing up. Like you go red, it goes green, so you stay away from those. Same thing here, look. Here's the direction to the downside. It's just above the SMA, it's trapped. So you need some kind of a direction. It is sloping down, so you should be like more toward shorts, not longs. I make it a rule, like if you're under the 200, you go short. If you're above the 200 and the 20 is rising, you go long. Let's see what this thing's gonna do right here. I'm gonna short Mr. One right here. One or two, I don't know. You give it to us. It's kind of lagging today too. I think I pressed 3 of them. See how slow it is today? Usually pretty fast. I wanted only 100 shares. I thought it didn't take the order. Huge losses here. I might need to reduce this position. That's what I already did. I'm way over my head on this position. This thing just... Like beyond my risk, if you go back, if you make a reduce your risk, here's it comfortable with. I'm gonna add it, and if it develops the way I want it to, I always get to. I usually put my foot in the water, see what's going on. Like I'll be more involved in this. Like so, I'm gonna take one right here. Okay, we reduced our position right now. I'm gonna reduce it another one. There is now $96 on it. That's something I can deal with psychologically. I'm comfortable with that loss. But $365 loss, it misses with my head. On this on the remaining 100, because 5% of that move right here, so you have a good chance of getting it. At 200 and take a... I don't like that hold. I'm going to take this position out, guys, okay? I'm out. I'm going to take a loss. Take a log to that 200. He's gonna fire up. Looks like it's holding up there. No, I would just exit. Just getting used to this software. I used to do Thinkorswim, now I'm doing this a lot easier on the... Touch that 20, swing that break. What is $293? I'm gonna give it a little bit of room. I like how it's holding that base on top of that. I might revisit that 200. The odds are up. Come on, mister, just hit that target. That target. Man, 1 penny away. About 30 cents away. It's almost there. Come on, mister, pull through. Almost there. I kind of give it a little bit of distance from the 200. I like to put my take profit right on the 200. Here we go. See how I touched it? We're good here. We're back to 2305. Right now you don't take it long or short, you just let it do its thing. If it breaks it with violence, yes, and it goes right here, maybe, but right now like it's just gonna dance around. Love to short that MU right now. I need more. There's a powerful drop. And usually when they drop like this, they pull back all the way to here. And if greens take out, if red takes out green, you short again to the downside. See how this big bar have no follow through? Little to no follow through right here. So let's see how this bar develop right here. We'll take it back up. This is a massive drop. 1, 2, 3, and these are solid bars. It might be like a hardcore drop. It's just like, this is like leg 1. It's just 30% retracement and it shoots down. You gotta remember, MU is like a massive stock. It moves a lot. Like this little drop that you see here, 330 to 320, 330.80 to 29.42. That's literally like $2 in this just little tiny bar right here. And so you gotta make sure you play your account accordingly. Main thing is to preserve this profits right here, and don't go into big losses of $1,000, $2,000. Trying to add to this position all the time in percentage, slow and steady. Let me see if this one goes here. Might crack it right there. Let me see. Let's see how much money involved in this. 330.57. 331. That's a fat chunk right there. If we get it, see how like got rejected for the mute for another short. You just gotta wait. That's a good lick to that 8. If we can get this rate to turn green. It might be a fake out, because usually it will pull back up to here, somewhere on here, because you're already halfway here, man. This was 340 whatever, 344 to 327. It's a $25 drop. It needs to take a little break. It needs to say hi to that 8. If we decide to do that, we'll take it. Right now, the red is in charge. Need an event to enter this thing. But I like huge bars like this, like a massive drop, and then like this happens, little to no follow through right here. This one I would have took it already, like right here. I know this bar should have produced more, so it failed. But you still have one more run on it. And I'm gonna take it. If it gives me $2, I'm gonna take it. It's literally about it's $1, which is not bad. See how that 8 dropped? Now you don't have that much. It's gonna just squeeze it real quick and just dump. See, you gotta think of this as a zone, and it just dumped a little bit more. Son of a gun. Damn it. Like a little bit of space. See, this bar didn't accumulate anything, did not do nothing. Still in the green zone. I'm gonna take it 200 shares, stab at it long. See if we can get it. And for a quick profit right here, just right there. Nothing crazy. Can't even see it. Did I put my profit at? It needs to be more than that. Somewhere around here. You gotta make $100 this sucker. Let's see. A lot of people say you're crazy, man. You're shorting right here. You're going long. We'll get it. Watch. The odds are long on this. It needs a little bit more juice up, hopefully. Let's get $114 on it. I used to watch the charts like the candles when I first started trading, like tick by tick, drop by drop, like it gets you super nervous. Just like as long as you're happy with your stop and it's within your risk, even if you lose it, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a calculated risk, you should be fine. You have to control your, like I said, the main thing is like, hey man, I can lose $100, and if you see yourself making $200-300 on plays, $134, but you keep losing $100, it's okay. So you're like making 2-1, 3-1. You either break even or you stay afloat basically, but not profitable. But you're learning a lot, you're picking up a lot. But where you put like big size and you're not learning, you're really just scared watching the charts. You're super scared because you're like, oh man, I have such a high risk, I need this trade to work out. So you're not learning anything. You're just wasting your time. See, that 8 dropped again, which is not good. I needed it might bounce through it like just a little bit. That's it. And this thing is just lagging like crazy. Come on, you pierce through it. Pierce through it, baby. Pierce through it. This could be it. If I lose this one, I'm done. I'm not gonna give it any more room. I'm just gonna tighten my stop. Not right here. I don't want it right here. I want it right here. $47 is good enough. This is like a do or kill. That's it. I'm done. I needed I needed a fast shot. So I didn't do it. I'm risking $39 on this play. If I got taken out, I got taken out. Because it might dump hard. 200s on top of it. I was hoping for like the 8 to stay up there and it shoots back up. $40, $40, okay. There you go. This one should be shorted right here. But I'm not gonna do it. Just gonna make sure it confirms. He lost $84, nothing. I was hoping for like a full red bar, like boom, boof, just hits it and gets up. See, this one now, it's a possible short right here. It takes this right here. If this bar closes red, you go ahead and short this. I'm gonna short it. I'm not gonna short it till it breaks this level, because I still think it's gonna go up here. So I'm gonna short it if it breaks this level and it shows that's solid. But I'm more optimistic about going up here somewhere. Of course, this is a stock market. See, like I was weak, so hopefully it's like if it's respecting the 8. So it needs to touch the 8, come back. See how it's respecting the 8. Now it broke through it. Okay, I don't like to short the first bar because there's always a big comeback. I want to see another comeback to that 8 and bounce back. One, two, three, four, five. So we're gonna have a move now, either direction. At the 5th bar, they're done with the accumulation. Looks like the buy is down. Okay, that's good. A good bar right here. So this bar annihilated all that. I'm hoping it goes back up here somewhere, so I can reduce my risk on the entry. See if it pulls back up here. That's a good play on the short. Usually leg 2 is very strong. See how leg 1, this is leg 2 right here. If I can pad it just to pull back a hair. Give us that play. was gonna hit that short one and I hesitated. Pinching penny here. This is gonna be an epic drop. $327.10. There we go. Second chance. I'm shorting 200 shares. I'm going to short another 100 right here. How fast this thing moves, like how you see profit or loss. Here comes the pullback that we've been waiting for, unfortunately. That's where I wanted to enter. I'm going to short another one right here. I want it to dump down right now. I don't want it to break the 8. If it breaks the 8, we're screwed. My last trade for the day, guys. I'm exhausted already. Needs to take that red, needs to take that green all the way down. Take it down hard, push hard. This could be a, if it takes that green, this could be a strong drop. if it's respecting the 8. If not, still gotta give it room. I'm gonna like this red bar right there. Let's see if it's gonna respect that 8 again. There we go. That's a good sign right here. This one you gotta let it run, man. I don't care what you do. I don't care what profit you see. This is gonna make you like 6, 7, 800 bucks. There's one more leg coming. I don't care. I'm not gonna take profit on this. I'm gonna let it rip. Gonna be an epic trade. I'm gonna take one at $500. Should give it to us right now. Should be another push right there. I'm gonna take one right here. We're like up 700 bucks on this trade. It's not bad. There you go. Telling you, this is like the beginning of a drop. So you don't want to rush and take profit, but like 600 bucks is 600 bucks. That lick on this trade. Especially we were risking 400 bucks on this play. I'm gonna take another one when this one dips down. Because it's like near an even number, so if it gaps down a little bit more, however, there's no reason for giving that money back. It's 500 bucks. There you go. I'm gonna take it right here. Leave 100 right there. See if it dips more. It should dip more. Come on, Amu, just do a hard drop. Another bar, the same situation, same position. It should do it. Take a full blast down. Let's turn it into 500 again. There we go. That's a nice drop. Bit more. Oh, like that's an even number. Bit more, bit more. Keep going. Go to 323.50. Literally made $900 on this trade, guys. Just gonna let it go more. By the way, this thing fires up like a cracker. It breaks at 24, it might dump another 50 cents or 25 cents minimum. That's an even number. I'm gonna take my profit or run away. But it needs to crack it like by 25 cents. Like 23.75. My hammer down because the move just started right now. So these people aren't gonna put billions of dollars on this thing just for it to drop like $1. They want $3, $4, $5 on it. It's holding that 24 pretty good. Hate it. Okay, hey, this is the last minute. This is what I like to watch. The last minute is that minute that says everything on the 5 minutes. If it pushes down, that means we're gonna push hard. Okay. The other way. The foot. How many we get back? At each. Okay. Yeah, we're up to 89. But this thing would continue down if you have the cojones to stay in it for the comebacks. I see this is just a fake out. Let's see if it pulls back to that 8. It's kind of neutral bar. Well, anyway, guys, I'm done here. So thank you for watching. We're up like 800, almost like 800 bucks today, 900 bucks. Not bad for the day, for the challenge. It's 8:40, so been here for like about an hour and 10 minutes. Thanks for everybody's watching. So preserve your cash. Like if you're in green, why should you keep trading, you know? And your brain, most people, their brain can, like in the morning, in general, this is, I learned it from a guy. Like if you're a trader, you don't want to make any decisions. You want to make 3 decisions when you're trading. Not when you're, you want to make 3 decisions on trades. So when you get out of bid and you're ready for trading, do not make any decision. Try to make everything organized and ready to go. So you preserve those 3 decisions that you need to make, which you're gonna need for trading. So should I take this trade? What this look like and all that. Anyway, everybody have a good one. Thank you for watching. We'll do the challenge tomorrow, hopefully. Everything goes well. I'm gonna stop streaming right now.